In this example, we learned to use a very useful pair of functions called match and index. As an example, I have here the weekly stock price of Google. We could compute the week-over-week return for this stock, which is just the ratio, the price of this week over the price of last week, minus 100%, or just minus 1. We could double click to get that number. To double check though, we go to the end of this series and notice that the first one should be corrected. It does not have a return number, this being the first day, so we delete that. Okay, now we have the week over week return number. Now a natural question to ask is, what is the maximum weekly return? Is it 10% or is it 20%? We also want to know when that maximum return happened. So in order to do that, first of all, find out the maximum weekly return number. To do that, it's quite simple. We just use max function and select the whole series. I press Ctrl Shift down to select all the numbers and press return. Now we see that we do have the answer, which is close to 20% on week over week return. Now, when did that happen? We break it down into several steps. First of all, we want to find out in this column in what position is this number appearing. So in order to do that, we use match function. So we say match lookup value, which is this maximum number, and lookup array, which is where do you want to find out this particular number. So again, we press Ctrl Shift down to select C4 to C418, that's the whole series. Now match type is the option because we want to find out, as the hint suggested here, an exact match. So we just want to press 0, enter. Now it tells you that in this long column, this number appeared in the 407th position. With that knowledge, we could use index. So we use index. Now, where is this date information along with the return? So we use keyboard select this big table from A4 to C419, and we want to find out in this big table the 407th row, and we want also the first column, which is the date information. Okay, so that's that. Well, except that it is not what we expected in the format of a date. So what do we do? You could do format, which I do here. Format cell. Format into a date. It'll tell you that. Okay, so there you have it. So that maximum jump happened in August 18th of 2004. Or you could use a date function. It's a little bit tedious, so you need to first of all identify the year of the following number, the month of that number, and the day of that number. So we get the same answer.